Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we explore and review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Isabake 26mm silicone strap for Garmin Fenix watches. This is a magnetic quick-fit band designed for various Garmin Fenix models. In this video, we'll cover all the key details about this product to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Isabake silicone strap is compatible with a wide range of Garmin Fenix watches, including the Fenix 7X, Fenix 6X, Fenix 6X Pro, Fenix 5X, and Fenix 5X Plus, among others. It's also suitable for other Garmin models like the Tactics series and the Fenix 3-Hour. The strap features an air-hollowed design, making it perfect for sports and outdoor activities. It's made of premium hypoallergenic silicone, which is lightweight, comfortable, and gentle on the skin. The smooth finish gives it a sporty and stylish look, making it ideal for various occasions. One of the standout features of this strap is the fold-over magnetic closure. This magnetic clasp is not only secure but also elegant, providing a hassle-free way to put on and take off your watch. No more dealing with traditional hook metal buckles. The Isabake strap is designed to fit a wrist circumference ranging from 6.1 inches to 9.1 inches. With the fold-over magnetic closure, you can easily adjust the strap to your desired fit, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The product comes in various attractive colors, including navy blue, red, yellow, and more, allowing you to personalize your Garmin watch to match your style. Users have reported that this strap is more comfortable than the original bands that come with Garmin watches. The hypoallergenic silicone ensures it won't irritate your skin, even during intense physical activities. Its durability means it can withstand sports like running, yoga, hiking, swimming, and surfing. The Isabake strap features the quick-fit connectors, making it a breeze to install on your Garmin Fenix watch without the need for additional tools. We've found customer reviews that praise the comfort and adjustability of this strap. Users have particularly loved the magnetic clasp for its convenience. It's worth noting that it's also available at an affordable price point. Inside the package, you'll find the 26mm Isabake silicone strap for your Garmin Fenix watch. In summary, the Isabake 26mm silicone strap for Garmin Fenix watches is an excellent choice for those seeking comfort, style, and convenience. With its unique features like the magnetic clasp and compatibility with various Garmin models, it's a worthwhile investment for any Garmin watch owner. That wraps up our review of the Isabake 26mm silicone strap for Garmin Fenix watches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like us to review next, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.